time to test fireworks for the first time on July 2nd. Whoa.
Don't make it. I'm trying.
That is a mortar.
In the sky.
God.
Oh, something like that. That's scary.
Heck no. Oh gosh, that was loud. That was so loud. That was so loud. That was quite awesome. That was quite awesome. Quite a while since I've seen fireworks by ourselves. Last time I seen fireworks was 4th of July, 2024, Mackinac City.
That's why I'm grabbing.
Oh, wow. Oh, they are green based on their tinfoil color. Great.
It's freaking awesome. Did you guys get that?
I got it.
Put it on video and play it.
Second one. This one is approximately green.
Scary.
Oh, it smells so good.
That is so freaking cool, man. Okay. Oh, somebody else got some down the range.
Yes, I can see it lighting up. We can see other people's fireworks. How cool.
Underneath this cannon, we got 10 more of those.
10 more
Well, I
mortars.
think we can do one more.
No.
We'll do one because they could explode.
Whoa. Okay, sticks, the blow sticks. These are not Roman candles. Get ready to see it. I need to prepare my ears. Gosh. Oh, that was frightening.
Would you keep your freaking voice down?
Jordan.
Whoa.
We got a whole row.
Those ones
You
are
can
very
light 'em all
teeny
at the same
tiny.
time.
Here is the Roman candle sparkler.
Oh, what are you doing?
How high does it go? Is it a plane height? That was quite the good blast. Seems Mother was too afraid to see it.
It's just us, Taro. It's just us. It's okay.
Time for one of the screaming light rockets that goes.
It's a dud. It's a dud.
Dud. Well then, that did not go well. We have a whole pile of these teeny tiny bottle rockets. Though those are kind of the worst ones. As cool as explosions may be, they're not the biggest. Oh my gosh, how much I love fireworks. In fact, my ears were so surprised by the sound of them, I forgot what they even sounded like. Last time I heard a real firework launching was 3 years ago. 2 years ago. 1? I'm confused.
And we got this finale right here. Come on.
We got the lighter. Okay, testing a new bottle rocket. It's gonna spark up in the air like a rocket. Oh. Yo ho ho, it pops, it pops. We got a bunch of them.
Yeah, they got
Second one. Yo ho ho. Yo ho ho, we got it so cool. Third bottle rocket test. Nice.
Can you keep your voice down?
That's nice. A fourth one. Once again, that's very cool. This is mate.
Yeah, I like Christmas.
Whoa. That was a very good one there.
You want a light one?
Me, light one.
Yeah.
2. I don't want to do it.
Okay.
It could spark my hand. Wow. Epic, I see smoke, I see smoke.
Can you see it?
Uh,
Yeah, right there. It's a short green wick right here.
Okay, 3,
Right down here.
2, 1. Okay, can you make a video? 3, 2.
You gotta put it on the wick down here.
Yeah. Okay. I got it.
Down some.
I can't light it.
You gotta push this button forward.
Oh, yeah.
Push it forward and then pull the trigger. Go ahead and get the flame lit. Are you able to pull the trigger?
I'm trying to.
Okay, do it then.
I'm having trouble pushing.
Here, you do it, Jordan.
Last mortar. Oh wait, that's not the mortar. Wow. The mortar. That wasn't even the mortar and it's already a bit loud. Okay. We got 3 more of these. 1 out of 3. Special firework alert. 2 at a time. Will it be dangerous? Hopefully not. Two at a time. It successfully did not fail. Time for the green mortar. This is the last green mortar here. It will explode.
For today, we got more.
Do you guys see that moon there? The orange dot. It seems to be rising, as my father says. Well.
Yeah.
Tara, time for the green mortar. Highly anticipated. The green mortar, which is highly anticipated to be very loud. That was quite the highly anticipated end to the test of 4th of July. Thank you.
That last mortar was something else.
He's right. That was quite the highly anticipated end.